What I'm saying is you're not really seeing this point.
No.
It has nearly been
definitely
2 years. 2 years since the last video.
Yes, but no one cares.
No, this is what I'm saying.
It's going to be
like,
fine.
How do you just organically segue into the next... Welcome again to GT Motorcars. Today we have this delightful Morris Minor just sat outside the front in for some brake work apparently. And if we come on in here, that is actually my mom's Z3 just having a little bit of prep work done and a delightful XJR. Hello Graham.
Hello.
Welcome back. Welcome Luke.
Hi.
Welcome to YouTube. So I've never actually put my mom's car on the channel. It's actually pretty sick. Inside of it looks like a little mini Bentley, other than my mess. Bought her a little naughty steering wheel, thought that was a Christmas. And it has about £3,000 worth of D-Class interior. Can you remember when this was first done, Graham?
Yes, it looked really nice.
It used to look really nice, didn't it?
A bit different now, a bit worn now.
Yeah, it's used. It's used. Typical woman's car. Had to get the locking wheel nut out. Look how much crap we had to take out. Including, for some reason, she travels around with an old photo album. And I've just shown Graham all of my blackmail material. My word. Anyway, the reason that we're actually here today is to have a play with my gearbox. More specifically, fitting this Quaife ATB LSD. I am seriously excited about this. And a little bit of a backstory actually. This was bought for me for my birthday. Quiet on set. This was bought for me on my birthday last year, and not only was it bought for me by my other half, but everybody that signed on here contributed a little bit of money. Some of these people that I feel like they are very good friends of mine because I speak to them so much on Instagram, but I've never actually met them. So yeah, I did a little bit of a cry. I don't know what to say. Like, this is so freaking cool. Thank you so much, guys, again. And this lovely little motivational statement up here. Please, for the love of God, finish your project, Porsche. So let's unbox this bad boy. Oh, it's so small.
That title, your sex tape.
Oh, f me, it's heavy.
That's what she said.
That is not light. Small but mighty. Go on. How bad is it? That's all right. I thought it'd come up red, the blood of its former victims. It's warmer in here! Right, explain why shaft is so hard to get out and requires crowbars.
Because it has a snap ring, just like a little C-clip.
Oh, God, yeah.
And of course, that expands out into the groove. Probably do a replacing now. And the groove's inside the diff.
Oh, that was quick. Oh, this could be the shortest time lapse ever. Right, Graham, we have to do some nerd chat. So let's test my knowledge here. This is a helical LSD.
Yes.
Much similar to a torsion LSD.
Yep.
In the fact that they use gears rather than clutches.
Absolutely.
Right. I'm more familiar with the clutch types because I'm used to Jap crap. So with clutch types, as it says on the tin, it locks up with clutch plates. You can get one way, 1.5 way, 2 way. These, it's just automatic, isn't it?
Yes.
Automatic torque bias. So these are much better for road use because it will automatically supply more torque to the
non-spinning
the non-spinning one. Whereas with the mechanical ones, it will always drive to the one with the most grip.
Absolutely.
Boom! Knowledge! I'm actually quite proud of myself. Hey? Who knows diff? Who knows torque? Another benefit of these being gear driven is the fact that they don't require servicing and they do last a hell of a lot longer, don't they?
Absolutely.
Over the clutch types. Happy days.
Fit and forget.
Basically, the reason why I've got it is because I want more powers, more torqueys, less clunkies, because we're used to lock diffs, aren't we? Lots of clunk and skip. These will actually act quite similarly to that on the road and won't be noisy. So I won't get people knocking on my window asking if my car's broken. This is where your diff lives, on a Porsche. Unlike the old, again, front-engined rear-wheel drive cars where the diff sits in its own separate casing, this actually is attached to the front of the gearbox near the bell housing.
transaxle.
You heard it here first. Right, what's next?
So I've got to remove the diff bearings from the original diff and put them onto the new ATV. We've got to unbolt pinion driver and put a bolt onto the new one.
Oh, okay. And that's all the bolts under here.
Yeah.
Is it fairly straightforward?
Yeah. It's as simple as that.
Could someone do it at home?
Yeah. I don't think you even shim these out either. It's literally straight.
Plug and play.
Yeah.
Nice. And these are good enough to go on, the play or anything?
Well, we're going to clean them out first. We'll make sure, check the races, make sure there's no wear on them, but that's all you can really do.
Okay.
Unless you want me to fit new ones.
That is for you to decide.
Oh, well, it's your pockets.
Okay. My forever shallowing pockets,
Your forever draining funds.
Yeah. So how does one actually remove said bearings? What actually holds them in? Is it
sugar, spice, and everything nice? These were the ingredients chosen to create the perfect
differential.
Might have gone too far with that one.
so ridiculous?
Yeah, so what I'll have to... I've got a contraption over there that's slide behind there, and then it'll just pull off.
Okay.
So it presses against this and pulls the bearing off.
It's such a shame that lives inside.
Yeah, exactly.
So pretty, so much money, never get to see it.
No.
But you get to feel it.
Absolutely.
And it's
get
all
the
about
art.
how it feels,
Yeah.
not how it looks. Right, well, whilst we listen to copywritten music, here's the old diff. Everything has been transplanted over to this new bad boy. Guys, I cannot tell you how heavy these things are. I can't even pick it up with one hand. So that's all done. That is going to get popped back in there, but not without the new seals, which I have purchased. Guys, everything that I've purchased thus far has come from Design 911. I will be doing a video with them in the future. They're really, really nice guys to work with, and they do very prompt delivery. So this one is for the cover there. You can see it where it runs along the outside here. Cheap as chips, but highly recommend doing. And then the other two go either side. So you see in there, there's that rubber seal, so that's gonna get swapped out with this bad boy, and likewise on the other side. Out of every modification that I've done so far, this is the one I'm the most excited about. So that's all from me today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, why not hit that like button, and why not subscribe? It is free. We are getting there, guys. We are so close to getting this car back on the road.
Right.
Gonna put it back on the road as an NA, build it up to a high spec NA, and then bang some snails on it at the end. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye. I want more. Let's have more.